Hello there, I'm Santina with WTI. As you can see, I am all set up for my at-home spa day. And I just have to tell you about this eye mask from PerfeCore. It is the perfect accessory. I personally prefer warmth, so all I did was follow the instructions, wrap it in a moist paper towel, and pop it in the microwave for a few seconds at a time until I reach the desired heat. And I think it feels fabulous. I really love that the beads have room to move, so the mask can form to my face, but I still get really good heat distribution. And I'm very pleased with how long the heat lasts. Of course, if you're more of a cold person, that is totally fine. This will still be perfect for you. You can put this in the fridge or the freezer, and then you can get that nice cold sensation on your face. I also really love that it comes with this super soft face mask cover. I love this face mask. I love that it's reusable, and I can't wait to use it for many, many, many more spa days. And that's my point of view.